Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Vivo Y200 supports reverse charging or not. Now to check if the Vivo Y200 supports reverse charging or not, just connect one end of a charging cable to the Vivo Y200 and connect the other end to any other smartphone. Now just connect one end of the cable to the Vivo Y200 and connect the other end of the cable to any other smartphone. Now, as you can see, as I plugged the charger to the other smartphone, the smartphone has started charging, which means the Vivo Y200 supports reverse charging. And this is how you can check if the Vivo Y200 supports reverse charging or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.